Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this TeraPump Fuel Transfer Pump with meter and rechargeable battery. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down on my table and go in for a close-up here, and we're going to go over the features that this pump offers. So this battery pump is going to let you transfer fuel from a 15, 30 or 55 gallon drum to your tractor, your truck, and other equipment. It's going to be perfect for garages, shops, yards, farms, docks, and even campsites. This pump is compatible with liquids such as gasoline, diesel, DEF, AdBlue, water, kerosene, antifreeze, windshield washer fluid, mild detergents, agricultural chemicals, and light oils. It is not compatible with hot water, concentrated acids, acetone, benzene, carousel, ethyl, drinking water, phenyl, methyl, ethyl, and concentrated caustic soda liquid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Now, to go over some of the features here, this does have a flow meter attachment that is going to measure the amount to transfer in gallons and liters and pints or quarts with a plus or negative 1%. And it does require two AAA batteries. As you can see, we do have batteries in this. And the flow rate is up to 4.2 gallons per minute. Now this does have a telescoping intake tube that's going to adjust to fit various drum heights. So just loosening this up here, I'm just going to give you I have this intake tube collapsed right now, but I'm just going to loosen this up here a little bit. And as you can see, that's going to easily extend depending on how far you need it to. When it's completely collapsed, it's 22.25 inches long, and then when you have it fully extended, it's 33.75 inches long, and the diameter is 1 3/8 inches. Now, this drum buttress adapter is easy to grip, making it simple to tighten or loosen up, and it is adjustable to fit various drum bung holes. And we mentioned that this is rechargeable. This has a lithium ion battery, and it's very easy to remove. You just squeeze the sides of the battery there. And a fully charged battery is going to be able to discharge up to 238 gallons. And this takes 3 hours to fully charge. And as you can see, there's a battery check feature on here. So if you push that button, it gives you an indicator of how much juice you have in that battery. And it looks like we're on the last light there. So it looks like we're running pretty low. So again, easy to remove. It's going to be easy to replace. It just snaps right into place. And the nozzle handle with this swivel nut is going to provide 360-degree rotation to prevent your hose from tangling. And I also wanted to point out that it has a lock here. So when you are filling up a tank or something like that, you would, after you turn the pump on, you would hold down this handle to let that flow. And then if you have a lot of fluid that you're transferring, you just turn this while you have the handle pushed down, and that's going to keep that handle depressed or open so this can continue to flow without you needing to squeeze that handle. Obviously, you don't want to do this while this is unattended. You want to be there so you don't accidentally overflow or anything like that, but that is a nice feature of this handle. The power switch has an LED light to confirm when the unit is on, and you can see that right here. And you just flip the power switch, and then, as I mentioned, you just squeeze the nozzle handle to control the rate of flow, and then release the handle and turn the power switch off to stop the flow. Now this rubber discharge hose is 79 inches long, and the hose itself consists of 4 layers and is oil, flame, and cold resistant. And this high-grade polyester construction is flexible. And I wanted to point out too, let me go back to my wide view here. Standing this up, it does have a holster for the nozzle, so you can just hook it up right there, and that'll keep the nozzle out of the way, and then it's easy to remove when you are ready to use it. Now, the pump dimensions, I want to begin with the overall length. So the overall length from end to end, when this is collapsed, is about 33 inches long. And the head itself, the portion that will be sitting on top of the tank that you're going to be pumping out of, this is going to be sticking out about 10 3/4 inches, so it's about 10 3/4 inches tall. And then the overall width of the head is about 3 3/8 inches wide. Overall, this weighs about 10 pounds, and this does include an AC adapter to charge that battery, and instructions to go over in a little more detail the features and the proper way to use this. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.